Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. Let's learn how to fix the music on your Instagram story. The Instagram music feature has been really buggy since it came out, and a lot of people have a problem with it. So let's fix the problem. I'm going to open the Instagram app on my phone, and let's create a story. So open the Instagram camera and take a photo. Now you want to tap on the sticker right here. And as you can see, the music option shows up on my device. If you don't see the music option here, you can search for it by using the search bar here. And there you have it. Now if you try to use any of these songs, and they won't load on your story, or they load but they don't work as they should, then follow my steps for a solution. We need to open the Settings app on our device, and now you want to open the General tab. After that, open the iPhone storage section and wait until our apps load. Find Instagram and open it. And now you want to click on Offload App. And after offloading, click on the Reinstall button to reinstall it. What this does is it removes all of the unnecessary files, cache and all of the data that may cause bugs and problems inside the Instagram app. It also force updates your app to the latest version, and that way you will be sure that you have all the latest features. And this should help fix your problem with the music feature for your Instagram stories. If you still can't find a specific song, or it won't load for you, keep in mind that not all songs are available for all regions. So the music is available in some countries, and maybe it isn't available for your country yet. So what you can do then is to use a third-party app called Inshot. This is a great app for creating stories, and it's available for both iOS and Android. I'm going to open the app and add my video. And after you've added the video for your story, just tap on the music button to add music to your stories. If this video was helpful, leave a comment down below and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.